Hi guys, so today we will learn how to install Python on your computer. So the first step on downloading a Python would be to open up a browser. Today I'll show you how to install Anaconda. So Anaconda is like a software or a platform that allows you to use different Python coding. So first you will need to type in the website. So this is the website, you will have it in your PDF. You click enter, and then you can see here it says download. So right now it's set to Windows, so this will download Anaconda for Windows, but you can also have it in Mac and Linux as you wish. So when I click on download, it will start downloading right here. Okay, we just need to wait, and then now we can run the program. Okay, here you will just need to click next and click I agree. Here it's recommended to just click for personal use, so just me. And then this is where you set the location for the program to be installed. I'm just going to put it in C, and then you click on next, you click install. Okay, it will say installation complete, and you can click on next, and you click next again, finish. So you will get a bunch of pop-ups. You can just close them. So now Anaconda has been installed on your laptop. So to open it, you can just search with the search function. So if you search Anaconda Navigator, so it's the one with the green ring. So that's the icon. And then you can click on that and it will start to run the scripts. So here you will see a lot of different logos and programs that you can use for your programming purposes. But today we'll talk about mainly Jupyter Notebook. So here you can see an option that says launch. When you click on launch, it will open up a web browser. So the unique thing about Jupyter Notebook is that it runs based on the browser that you have. So when you click launch, you will see this UI. And to create a new notebook, you need to click new and then Python 3. So here is basically where you can start to code. I will show two different cells. So right now you can see here, if you click on cells, you will see the type is code. So code means you can, for example, say print hello world, and then you click enter, you will run the code and it will say hello world. And you can also have comments, and that is just by clicking on markdown. So let's say you have a sentence like this is how to start coding, and that's how you have the comments. So that's a very short tutorial on how you can install and start to code. Jupyter Notebook, one of the main advantages is that it's a web browser, so you can run the code, you can export the code, and it's very good for visualization as well. And yeah, I think that's it.
So hello guys, welcome to the first videos, beginning of our course. In this video we are going to talk about the Python, the installation of Python by itself on the operational system. The Python should be, it's up to you of course, but we recommend to install it on your operational system. For doing that, firstly you need to go to the website python.org and then go straight to the downloads tab. Choose your operational system. In our case, it's a Windows, and then just simply click on it. It's downloading. Open the X file for installation, and then here you can choose different options for installation. The first one we recommend install now without any advances for your Python package. So for now we are just going for this way. Customized installations is depend on your choices, what you are going to install, whether like some separate specific options or not. So installing now, yes. And quickly saying about the Python, for example, why Python? Firstly, in my opinion, like top 3 advantages of Python, it's free. For students, it's crucial. You can do whatever you want, where you want, in every machine you have. Then it's community support. You can find a lot of forums, videos, materials for Python, especially for now. There is a lot of them. There is a free access for the courses. And the third point is about the libraries and extensions. For example, for writing some kind of equation or functions, you can just type like a few lines of code, and if you have, for example, installed library for that, you can just do it with one command, with one functions. So here we setup was successful. For now, that's all. Also, if you want, you can go for official online tutorials from the Python platform by itself, and documentation for getting more materials for getting started. Okay, and then for introducing how it works in your computer, the thing is that the reason we installed the Python, but it's not the IDE. So it will be just a command stroke, for example. Here, our Python install Python, we open it. And just as a quick example how it works, like firstly, just use just a variable, hello world, and then print. And for execution, you just use the enter button, as it works always. And yeah, here we go. Good luck in your path.
Okay guys, now we will look at Spyder, which is a different type of IDE that we can use to run Python. So since we already have Anaconda installed, we can just launch it straight from the navigator. So when we click on launch, we can see the program in just a bit. Okay, the unique thing about Spyder is that you can see there are several windows. On the left hand side, this is called the script, and this is where usually we write the code. And then when we run the code, you will see the output in the shell. Okay, so for example, let's write a simple code. All right, and then when you click Shift Enter, you will see the output here. Okay, next we will look at the variable explorer in Spyder. So let's define a few variables. Let's start with A, and let's set that to 1. And then let's define B as a sentence or a word. And then you can see in the variable explorer, you have not only the variable, but you can also see the type. So for example, it shows you that 1 is an integer and hello is a string. So this will be useful. Let's say if you're coding and you found some errors, or if you want to know the variables, you can use this in Spyder to find out what type of data sets you're using in your Python coding. Yeah.